404. There's no such review. Apparently. Reality glitch. LG, we found out my voice transcription like just puts like thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe constantly in whenever it thinks I'm not whenever I'm not talking, right? Like it constantly turns like empty audio inputs to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. But then we found at one point, this is 20 minutes before the stream today started, it thought it transcribed empty audio to please see review number 11701 on pissedconsumer.com. You need to implement, yeah, I know. Pissedconsumer.com. Can we search for the thing? Yeah. Yeah, this is just searching for companies though. If I search 11701, all results